Welcome to Cropilots' Premier Spray Workshop. In the heart of our facilities, the Cropilots Spray Workshop stands as a testament to our dedication to precision and quality. When you think of the final finish on our machinery, this is where it all begins. For us, spraying isn't just about adding color, it's about ensuring a uniform application every single time. Our state-of-the-art spraying line is calibrated to deliver precise coatings, ensuring longevity and resistance against the elements. We utilize the latest in spraying technology, ensuring that our machinery receives an even coat, free from imperfections. Advanced nozzles and high-end spray guns, paired with computerized monitoring, mean consistency across every machine. Our spray workshop is designed for efficiency without compromising on quality. From the initial pre-treatment stages to the final finishing touches, each phase is streamlined to reduce lead times, ensuring you get your machinery when you need it. We're not just focused on aesthetics. The paints and coatings used at Cropilots are carefully selected to be eco-friendly, reducing environmental impact while providing a durable finish that withstands the rigors of agricultural work. Our workshop boasts a team of trained professionals who understand the nuances of agricultural machinery. They bring their vast experience to ensure that each product leaving our line not only looks good but is protected against wear and tear. It's not just a spray workshop, it's where Cropilots' commitment to quality, precision, and sustainability comes to life. Your trust in our brand pushes us to uphold these standards with every machine that passes through our hands.